Must-see enter and immediately be wowed by the most coveted SE Intracoastal and ocean views in South Florida. 2 have split floor plan with natural bright light, brand new gorgeous whitewood floors throughout. Well-maintained unit with floor-to-ceiling windows and doors, remodeled kitchen featuring flat top and KitchenAid appliances, XLARGE balcony to take in the magnificent water views, enjoy indoor poolside restaurant offering delivery. New gym tennis-pilates. Great closet space with extra storage, valet, excellent security. Close to shopping, airport. A++ schools located in gorgeous Aventura across from Turnberry Golf Course with 3-mile jog path.